If you're new here, I'm Colleen. Welcome back to the channel. I mostly post reading and writing related content, but since I am in a reading slump, I thought I'd do something a little bit different this week and just film me cleaning out my closet. I have a regular closet. I don't have like a crazy one. I also love thrifting, so I thought it'd be fun to just sort out and see how much of my clothes are actually thrifted. So let's find out. Since I like to think that I don't have that many clothes, I'm going to be putting this stuff that I'm keeping over here and maybe just putting the ones that I'm going to give away over on this rug. Traditional.
Black is traditional. But if you prefer pink,
or vermilion,
or
chartreuse. I counted 44 pieces that were thrifted, which is roughly about like 70-80% of my wardrobe, which is pretty good. The designs are just better at the thrift stores that I frequent than in fast fashion stores here. I just want to not be wasteful, and I think thrifting is a really good, easy, cost-efficient way to do that. And yeah, I think that's a pretty good number. I did pick out several items that I wanted to give away. I usually don't like find a buttload of things at a time because I do this clean out once every like 3 or 4 months. So I do tend to give a lot away in accumulation, not like in one go, because I don't like clutter. As soon as I like forget about an item of clothing, I think that's a good sign. I mean, a very, very clear sign that I should be giving it away, because if it's gone and I didn't think about it, that's a sign for me. So anyway, thank you for coming along. I know it's not like reading or writing content, which of course I will still be doing. Once in a while, it's nice to do something different. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that stuff.